Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Utorrent. Go to this link, you can find it under this video and click get Utorrent for Windows and click get Utorrent for Windows here and wait few minutes and click download and click open. Click yes. Wait a second and click next. I agree. Next. And click next. And remove. Click next. And click finish. This is Utorrent. So guys, don't forget to subscribe in my channel and like this video if you like it and share it with your friend. Goodbye.